All right, so we're ready to start adding to our bibliography. So a couple of things to note when you've got a project, and you can see we've got quite a few here. You can see you've got what style it's in, whether that's MLA or a different form, what level you have that set at, how many sources, how many note cards, when it was created, and so forth. If that's being shared, if someone's collaborating with you. So that's kind of a nice thing to look at. So we're going to go to this Julius Caesar one. And in the dashboard, remember, one of the things you can do here is add to your to-do list. And so what I would do is have this up on the board and then have my students type in the items in the to-do list, and then you'd have a due date for them, and they can just check off when they've completed them. But what we need to do to add to the bibliography is go to sources. And you can see we don't have any, so we need to get some sources. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the online library, and we're going to go, in this case, to Gale Kids InfoBits. And I am studying Julius Caesar, so I'm just going to start typing that in, and you can see that's a name that's automatically populated for you. So we will go here. And in the database, you can see we've got some books, some biographies, pictures, magazine articles. And so what we're going to do is we'll pick this top one. It's from the Junior Scholastic in 2000. So we're going to click this article, and you'll notice that you do have the option to listen to it. Here's the article itself. There's some images. At the very bottom of the article is the citation that I'm going to use in MLA form, or the URL. But over here on the top right in Gale, I can click on Citation Tools, and then this will put it in MLA or APA form for me. And this is going to be what's important for me here. So I am going to copy this top part. That's my source. And then I'm going to go back to Noodle Tools, and I'm going to click on Create a New Citation. And the first thing it's going to ask you is, where is it? Now, we were in the online library, and we're in Gale Kids InfoBits, which is a database. So I'm just going to click on Database, and then it's going to say, well, what is it in the database? And when we found this, it's in Junior Scholastic, which is a magazine. So then I'm going to click on Magazine. Now I can create my citation. Now, you'll notice there's a lot of stuff to fill out here. I don't need to fill all that out. I can just go here to copy and paste the citation. And then right here, I'm just going to paste that in. Now, the other thing that's important, I think, is you can copy and paste the URL as well. So I'm going to go back to the source, and down here, underneath the citation is the website. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go back to Noodle Tools, and I'm going to paste that in there. What's nice is when that's all tied together, then when I forget where I found this Junior Scholastic article from, I can go to the website and find it. And then I can annotate any notes that I might have there. So I'm going to click Submit. And now I have this source in there in MLA format for me. So let's find another one. And let's go back to the online library. And let's see what it looks like if we go to Research and Context. So this is going to be more for our junior high students. So again, I'm going to type in Julius Caesar. You can see it populates there. And let's search for that. And you can see there's a lot more articles on this one. I've got 79 reference, 65 biographies, 23 images, some videos, audio, 268 magazine articles, 74 news articles, 1 primary source, 18 creative works. I think that's just the Shakespeare play. So there's a lot here. So this time, what we'll do is we'll pick a different source. So last time we did a magazine article. Let's just take this biography. Okay, and then if I go to citation tools, here's the citation that I need, so I'm going to copy that. And then I'll go back to Noodle Tools. I'm going to go to Create New Citation, and I'm in a database, and within the database I'm in a reference source, which in this case is an encyclopedia. And then once I come up upon this page, again, I'm going to go here to Quick Cite, copy and paste the citation. And then right here, I'm going to paste that in where it says manually edited citation. Then I'm going to go back to the source. Whoops, that's the wrong one. I'll go back to the source and I'm going to copy the URL that's there. And then I'm going to paste that in right here. And then if I want to annotate anything, I can. And then I'm going to submit that. And now I've got two sources for my bibliography. So let's have you go ahead and start adding some of your sources to your bibliography.